Facebook ads. Now, Facebook ads, do they get you leads? A lot, and a lot. We have got multiple leads using Facebook. अब एक बात बताओ, आप में से कौन कौन लोग हैं, एंड अ लॉट, या एंड अ लॉट, जो कि मेरा पैनल देखना चाहते हैं फेसबुक का एड्स का? और आप मुझे ये भी बता दो कि क्या आपको कोई और ऐसा इंसान मिलेगा जो कि आपको अपना फेसबुक का एड्स का भी पैनल दिखा देगा? कोई नहीं दिखाता ना, कोई नहीं दिखाता ना. लेट मी शो इट टू यू. कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन नाउ? कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन नाउ? सो दिस इज 2,54,000. This is the 2,50,000. This is just the budget that we have consumed on one of our ad accounts ads में सिर्फ पिछले एक हफ्ते में. Can you see the dates? 17 June से 24 June. So if you would see it on a lifetime basis, you would see that the total ad spend is more than 90 lakh rupees. This is much more than rupees 1 crore. Much more than rupees 1 crore. Because some of the ad sets we have also deleted. Yes, I'm investing so much money for providing free value also, brother. That is how it works. So this is, and if you would see the leads that we have generated, this is, of course, this is more than 1 crore people. And if you would see the leads that we have generated, about 3 lakh leads we have generated using just the webinar registrations, using just Facebook ads for this. So many leads have been generated using this. एंड यू गॉट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपको लोगों के सामने रिजल्ट लेकर आना. अब मैं आपको एक चीज और दिखाना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे. अगर आप देखो, हमने ये मई से दिखाया हुआ इन्होंने हमको, हमने मई में ऐड चलाने शुरू करे थे. मैं अगर आपको मई महीने का दिखाता हूँ, सिर्फ मई के मंथ का. सो इट वॉज इन द फर्स्ट मंथ, इट वॉज जस्ट 15,000 rupees. It was just 15,000 rupees in the first month. And we also did it in April. So this is April 1st to April 30th. April, it does not even show, because in April we did it for some more platforms. We did it from some more accounts. So if you would see the results, right? So in the month of May, this was in 2018. This was 15,000. And then if you look at it for this month, it is already more than 6 lakhs. So imagine, and that is why I told you that our ad budget for an year right now is more than rupees 1.5 crores approximately. So आप imagine करो कि इसकी scaling किस तरीके से करी गई है. How we have scaled those things. From 15,000 per month, if you would see, just in 2 years, look at this. From 15,000 per month to around 9 lakhs per month. You look at the number of times it has increased. How much is this? This is 60 times, right? This is just for me. This is not Saurabh's. This is a scaling of 60 times. How many of you can see this? I did not have the money. Just like so many of you, I did not have the money. I did not have a person who's going to fund my company. We did not have anybody to do that. We started from zero, and then we started scaling it, and then we started generating that revenue, and all the money that we made, we invested all of that back into the business, and again into the business, and again into the business, and again into the business. That is how you get those results, and that is how you create those opportunities. So for all the people who say that, Rahul sir, we don't have the money, we don't have the resources, we don't have those things and those things. Again, it is an excuse that you are giving to your own self. If I would have stopped investing on my own self, I would never be able to get results going for it. Somebody is like, sir, if you spend 6 lakhs on ads, then how much revenue do you generate on all platforms? You calculate. You would be knowing, right? It requires you to put in the money into your business. And once you put in the money into your business, only then does your business grow. Only then does your business go to that next level. So what I do is, whatever money we make, we invest all of that into the business. I don't plan to stop over here. I want to take my monthly budget to 18 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Because that is how scaling is done. That is how opportunities are done. ऐतनी तो किसी की इनकम भी नहीं होती है सर. लोग इनकम नहीं करते, इतनी ये बहुत बड़ी सच्चाई है. और वो सारी चीजें तब होती हैं जब आप अपना 100% एफर्ट्स डालते हो. हमारे पास जो भी पैसे आते थे, वही डिफरेंस है. मैं अगर आपको एक सच बात बताऊं, ऑनेस्टली अगर आप लोग ये चीज सुनना चाहते हो, वही सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस between us and a lot of people who don't get those results is that people don't invest their money back into their work. हमारे पास जब भी कोई पैसा आता है हम उसको बैंक अकाउंट में रखने का प्रयास करते हैं. मैं उसको अपने काम में इन्वेस्ट करने का प्रयास करता हूँ. I focus on putting that back into my work. And just to tell you one thing, this is just one of my accounts. This is just from one of my accounts. I want to share with you. Let me show you one more account of mine. Okay, one more account of mine. So that you people know that business requires you to invest money. And I've not shown you the Google ads that we run. We also run ads on Google. So it requires you to regularly invest money on your own self. And that is where you would be able to generate more opportunities going for you. What is your monthly revenue and profits? I don't get into that. And the reason why I don't get into the monthly revenue and profits is because I want you to focus on the value, people. I want you to focus on the value and not on the revenue. Okay, and not on the revenue. आपको चीजें वो सीखनी चाहिए जो कि आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये हमारा एक और एड अकाउंट है. Can you see my screen now? So can you see the ad budget spend over here this month? This is 2,08,000, right? 2,08,000. This is from this particular account. And this is just for branding. This one, not for lead generation. Only and only for branding. No lead generation happening over here. No lead generation happening over here. Just for branding. Just that more people can get to know about me. So when I see people who are afraid to invest just a small amount on their own self, on their own business, I feel so disappointed. I'm like, people want to get those kind of results, but people don't want to invest money on them. And that is the reason why those people are not creating those opportunities for them. And so, and if I tell you, our ad budget in the month of April 2018 was when we started with our program. In April 2018, our ad budget was only rupees 6,000 per month. That is it. So from there, we have done the scaling, people. So when all of you give me the reason and those excuses that, sir, I don't have money, I don't have those things, आप कब तक खुद को वो excuse देते रहोगे? आप कब तक खुद को वो चीज बोलते रहोगे? You get that? Start small and aim big, and not just aim big, but also work for it. Whatever money you make, put that back again into your business. Put that back again into your business. Stop fooling our own selves. Very true. A business owner never stops investing and reinvesting in their business. I 100% agree with you. And that is what you need to do. कि आपको क्या लगता है कि मेरे मन में वो डर नहीं होगा? Am I not going to have those fears on my mind? Besides these ad budgets, do you think that we don't have running costs? टीम का सैलरी देना है, opportunities हैं, Zoom के पैसे देने हैं, messages के पेमेंट करना है, मेल्स का पेमेंट करना है, पता नहीं किस किस चीज का पेमेंट करना होता है यार, टैक्सेस देने होते हैं, रेंट देने होते हैं. We have also ensured that the team members who are in our team, we take care of their accommodation, we take care of their fooding and everything. It requires a lot of efforts, and that is why, you know, when people follow me and then when some people say, Rahul, I don't have money to invest on myself, I tell those people, to bhul jao yaar, bada banna. It's a harsh reality. We got to accept that harsh reality. आप में से अगर कोई बंदा मुझे ये बोलता है कि बट राहुल सर मेरे पास genuinely पैसे नहीं है, I ask you, do you have a smartphone that has costed you more than 10,000 rupees? Have you bought clothes more than worth 10,000, 20,000 rupees last year? Have you spent your money on partying? Have you spent your money on boozing? Have you spent your money on smoking? If you have, then don't stop giving your excuse. Have you spent lakhs of rupees? Have you spent lakhs of rupees on your college education? That's the thing. After years, are you genuinely saving money with all that spend? Of course we are. But we put all that money into business, Archana. We are expanding our business. Keeping that money in my bank account is not going to help me. Investing that money back into my business is what is important. वो बहुत जरूरी है. Or investing it on things that gives me the cash flow. वो important है. Otherwise मैं उसको बैंक में रख के इंटरेस्ट से कुछ नहीं होता है. You are actually putting your money into a place जहां पे वो dead हो गया आपका पैसा. वो आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि आप अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट उन जगहों पे लगाओ. तो जब आपको धीरे धीरे हम लोग फेसबुक एड्स भी सिखाएंगे, तब आप फेसबुक एड्स के थ्रू भी लीड जनरेट कर सकते हैं, एंड उसके बाद आपके पास वो रिजल्ट्स बना के, अपॉर्चुनिटीज बना के खुद ब खुद बनाते चले जाएंगे. दैट इज द थिंग. एंड एवरीबडी हैज गॉट मनी टू इन्वेस्ट ऑन देमसेल्व्स. एवरीबडी हैज इट. and you know it yourself, right? And nobody shows these things to you so very transparently. कोई भी नहीं आपको ये चीजें ट्रांसपेरेंटली दिखाता. आपने कभी सोचा है क्यों नहीं दिखाते ट्रांसपेरेंटली? Because maximum people don't have the kind of results that they portray. बहुत सारे लोगों के पास वो रिजल्ट्स होते ही नहीं है जो वो पोर्ट्रे करते हैं. एंड वही चीज है कि वो लोग वो चीजें नहीं दिखा सकते हैं आपको. And that is what I want to say to so many people. So whatever we did, all the money that we generated, we invested all those money going for our business. And I love investing upon my team members, hiring more team members, giving them the right environment, because I know that that is the right way to go about things. And that is exactly what you got to do as well. People are taking lakhs to teach this stuff. You are a divine soul. I try doing my best. Anuradha. आप Facebook ads एक दिन के 100 रुपए से भी शुरू कर सकते हो. You can start with just 100 rupees per day. And then you can scale it to the next level. What is the right time to invest on Facebook ads? Today. Today is the right time. So how to scale Facebook ads? As per what I have told you, how to scale Facebook ads.